Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning channel.
Today, our lesson is about collective nouns. What is a collective noun? A collective noun is a noun that refers to a group of people, group of animals, or group of things. Also, it refers to a single identity. Collective nouns shouldn't be confused for the plural forms. Okay, let us see collective nouns for things in detail. When you see one shoe, then you say it's a shoe. But when you see it in groups, more than one in groups, so we say a pair of shoes. When you see one flower, you call it as flower. But when they are in a group, what is the collective noun for that? We say it as a bouquet of flower. Similarly, for trees in groups, we say a forest of trees. For the stars in groups, we say galaxy of stars. For the books in groups, we say a pile of books. Now let's see few examples for the collective nouns for animals. Like when you see them in groups. Okay? When you see the fish in groups, we say a school of fish. For puppies in groups, we say a litter of puppies. For birds in groups, we say a flock of birds. For horses in groups, we say a team of horses. And for bees in groups, we say a hive of bees. Now let's see few examples for collective nouns for people. When you see one student, you say student, yeah? But when you see them in a group, you say a class of students. Similarly, when you see the players in a group, you say a team of players. For dancers in a group, we say a troupe of dancers. For singers in a group, we say a choir of singers. When you see the thieves in groups, we say a gang of thieves. Now, here are a few sentences for you. I want you to pick up the collective nouns from these sentences. I'll read these sentences for you. A pack of owls circled the car. I saw the family at the school. A gang of thieves stole the precious diamond. My mom made a batch of cookies. The dogs gathered the flock of sheep. So you can pause the videos and you can check your answers at the end of the video. Here I am back with the answers. So in the first sentence, the collective noun is pack of owls. In second sentence, it's family. In third, gang of thieves. In fourth, batch of cookies. And in fifth, flock of sheep. I hope your answers matches with mine. That's great. You really deserve a star. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. subscribe my channel to receive more educational videos like this. Also, if you like to have a look at list of collective nouns and more knowledge about it, you can visit this site and have a look at it. Thanks for watching.
And stay safe.